Dear students, welcome to Dabad Academy. In today's video, we will cover answer key of set E of All India Sainik School Entrance Exam 2022. It was conducted today on 9 Jan 2022. Many of you must have a different set, maybe A, set B, set C and so on. So since the answer key is for set E, all you need to do is match question by question. Also, for Rashtra Military School 2022 entrance exam preparation, please connect with us on Dabad Academy app and also on our Telegram community. Lot of practice resources are available there. The joining links are provided in the description of this video. Now, we have 4 sections. We will cover with English. Let's start with question number 1. So, answer for question number 1 is C part. For question number 2, it is B part. For question number 3, it is C part. For question number 4, option A is correct. For question number 5, it is B part, which is correct. For question number 6, C part. For question number 7, it is D part. For question number 8, A part is correct. For question number 9, it is C part, which is correct answer. For question number 10, D part is correct answer. For question number 11, B part is correct answer. For question number 12, A part is correct, declarative. For question number 13, C part is correct. For question number 14, D part, appointment is correct. For question number 15, B part is correct. For question number 16, again D for delta, D part is correct. For question number 17, again D part is correct. Moving on to the next page. For question number 18, C part is correct. Worst. For question number 19, D part is correct. Repairs footwear. For question number 20, A part is correct. Choose the opposite of literate. For question number 21, C option is the correct option. For question number 22, A option is correct. Identify the adverb. For question number 23, option D is correct. For question number 24, B option is the correct option. For the last question of English section, question number 25, B option is correct. Moving on to the next section, which is mathematics. For mathematics, for question number 26, option number 4, 6 is correct. For question number 27, it is second option which is correct. For question number 28, second option. For question number 28, 27 and 28 both have second option correct. For question number 29, again it is second option. Correct answer. For question number 30, second 200 is correct. For question number 31, second option again. So lot of 2's in one single row are correct. For question number 32, third option, this one is correct. Moving on to the next page. For question number 33, option number 4 is correct. For question number 34, second option is the correct answer. For question number 35, fourth is the correct option. For question number 36, again D option. Option number 4 is correct answer. Moving on to the next question, third option is correct. We had to arrange in descending order. For question number 38, second option is correct answer. Question number 39, second option is correct. We had to find water image of search. Actually, this question belongs to reasoning portion, but somehow they are provided in this particular section. question number 40, first option is correct answer. For question number 41, third option is correct. For question number 42, again third option is correct. For question number 43, third option, he incurred a loss of 23,500 is correct. For question number 44, second option 100 is correct answer. For question number 45, fourth option 68,394 is correct answer. For question number 46, option number second 144 square centimeter is correct answer. For question number 47, second option, right, second option is correct answer. Moving on to the next page. For question number 48, third option is the correct answer. For question number 49, again third option is the correct answer. For question number 50, fourth option 1000358 is the correct answer. For question number 51, first 161 square centimeter is the correct answer. For question number 52, fourth option is the correct answer. For question number 53, second option is the correct answer. Question number 54, again second option is the correct answer. For question number 55, second obtuse is the correct answer. Now moving on to the next one, question number 56, third option is the correct answer. For question number 57, second option is correct answer. For question number 58, again third option is the correct answer. For question number 59, fourth option is the correct option. For question number 60, it is third option which is correct answer, which is not the symmetrical along the dotted line. Moving on to question number 61, 856 is the correct answer. 128400 pens are to be packed in a cartons with 150 pens in each. How many cartons will be required? So this is the statement for question number 61. It is not so clear, but still you can make it out. In question number 62, second option 45 by 56 is correct answer. For question number 63, fourth option is correct. For question number 64, first option is correct. For question number 65, third option 900 is correct. For question number 66, third option 4.3226 is correct answer. For question number 67, second option 14 is correct. For question number 68, fourth option is correct. For question number 69, third option is correct. For question number 70, first option is correct. Now, these instructions are for question number 71 to 75. So, for question number 71, fourth option is correct answer. Okay, I believe it is erased, but option 4 is correct. For question number 72, second option 18 is correct answer. For question number 73, fourth option 27 is the answer. For question number 74, it is second option 83, correct answer. For question number 75, fourth option 4 is correct answer. Now let's move on to the section C, which is of general knowledge, general ability section. Now for question number 76, B option is correct answer. Where did Buddha attain enlightenment? So both Gaya is the right answer. For question number 77, B option is correct. Division of labor among cells. For question number 78, C option is correct. For question number 79, A option is correct. For question number 80, B option is correct. For question number 81, D option is correct. For question number 82, B option is the correct answer. Midnight children. For question number 83, A option is correct. I believe actually this question is correct for a lot of students. Almost हर किसी ने ठीक किया होगा. Question number 83. In question number 84, B option is correct. Lactobacillus. For question number 85, Option C is the correct answer. For question number 86, D option, they are the remains of once living organisms, is the correct answer. For question number 87, B option, Field Marshal Manekshaw was the Chief of Army Staff, COS जिनको हम बोलते हैं. For question number 88, C option is correct. For question number 89, A option is the correct answer. For question number 90, C option is the correct answer. Question number 91, B option is the correct answer. For question number 92, C option is the correct answer. In question number 93, B option is the correct answer. Moving on to the next page. In question number 94, C option is the correct answer. To protect the outer coat of a seed. For question number 95, B option is correct. For question number 96, A option is the correct answer. For question number 97, B option, knockout is associated with boxing. For question number 98, A option is correct answer. For question number 99, B option is correct answer. For question number 100, option number B is the correct answer. Moving on to the section D, which is last one. Let's start with question number 101. In question number 101, we have fourth option, which is the correct answer. For question number 102, first is the correct answer, 20. For question number 103, second, 18 is the right answer. This is from chapter number and ranking. For question number 104, first is correct answer. For question number 105, first is answer. For question number 106, second is the answer. For question number 107, fourth is correct answer. For question number 108, third is the correct answer. For question number 109, first is correct answer. For question number 110, second, this one is correct answer. For question number 111, fourth is correct answer. For question number 112, fourth is again correct answer. For question number 113, first is correct answer. 114, second is the answer. 115, fourth is the correct answer. For question number 116, fourth is correct answer. Question number 117, third is correct answer. For question number 118, fourth is correct answer. For question number 119, third is correct answer. For question number 120, first is the correct answer. Question number 121, first is correct answer. For question number 122, A option is correct, first option. For question number 123, third is the correct answer. For question number 124, second is the correct answer. For question number 125, again, second is the correct answer. So here we end our exam paper solution, answer key. Alright students, so I hope you have scored good marks. You can connect with us on our Telegram channel, and please make sure you download Dabad Academy app for constant preparation resources for All India Sainik School Entrance Exam, Rashtra Military Schools and Rashtra Indian Military College, Dehradun. Have a good day. Jai Hind.